Hi.
Hello.
Z-Fan Mama with
Anna from A&K.
So we're a few days behind, so you'll see us in the same clothes for the next 4 videos. So here we go. Young Living Advent Calendar Day
21.
All right, Anna. What is it?
And the 21st is, a cypress. I have been dying to
we
try
don't
this
have that one.
We don't have
Open
cypress.
It up. We
That's
gotta
new.
smell it.
Okie dokie.
Okay.
Artichoke.
Oh, artichokes sound good.
I can't open it.
Okay.
No, we need scissors.
It's like sealed.
No, we need scissors.
Do we need scissors? Oh! My dentist will love me. Okay. While she opens this,
Cypress is good for so many different
I open it.
things.
You talk about what it's good for.
I think it
As-
smells good.
Yeah, it's very woodsy, I haven't, like I said, we don't have the oil, but I know where it comes from, so it's gonna have that woodsy smell
From the cypress tree?
from the cypress tree.
Hmm.
Yes. Oh, I can already smell it.
Can you?
Yeah, I'm like a dog.
Oh. That is such a manly smell.
I'm talking
That's
about
what-
new
that's what I
man
said.
cologne
It's great for
coming.
men's cologne.
Actually, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Total.
Ooh, that's good.
You
It's
guys
like
wanna smell it?
NBLS, but a little different.
Go ahead and show Kayla smelling. What do you think?
That smells nice, actually.
All right, Austin, what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very manly.
Definitely.
Right?
Super manly.
Ooh.
All right, cameraman, you'll have to wait.
I know.
All right,
I
that's
can't wait.
the 21st. Thanks for watching, guys.